Okay, class, today we'll be learning about pollution in the Delta. Let us begin. The video will begin in 3, 2, 1. Hello, I will be your announcer for the duration of this video. I hope you like my voice because you're going to have to get used to it. By the way, the entire video is paused because of budget cuts, but I hope you don't mind a still image and moving cameras. Now then, let us get into the Delta. The Delta is a beautiful place, as you see, full of life and tranquility. It is a beautiful place with no pollution at all, or at least that's what I would like to say. In truth, the Delta is not nearly as beautiful as you're seeing it now. This is the Delta from the past. But pollution has turned the Delta into more or less, how do you say, dead. It doesn't look as beautiful as it does nowadays. But still, the Delta nowadays is much more beautiful than the Delta in the past. But before we go to the Delta in the past, let us visit some of the wildlife there. Now then, as you see, this is some of the wildlife. We will unpause it for sweat time. Okay, well then, that didn't do anything. Well, anyways, going back to the fish. They are beautiful creatures. As you can see, each and all of them are unique and lovely in their own ways. But, sadly, this is not the case when pollution comes involved. This is the pollution monster. The pollution monster loves to kill fish and animals and all kinds of life. But let us talk about its effect on fish. See, this pollution monster really loves to make the fish dead. Now then, let us go and see a fish that's been affected by the pollution monster. This is the fish. As you can see, he's not as lovely and vibrant as he was before, and he looks rather dead. Now, pollution kills tons of animals, plants, and creatures all around. It's rather a disgusting thing, really. Moving on, let us talk about how the pollution monster has affected the environment in the past. You shall see the cruelty of the destruction of the environment of the Delta in the past. The Delta from the distant past. Let us look at it. You can see that the plants are all around dead. The few plants that are here are pretty much dead looking, not even suitable to be called plants anymore. As you can see, there's particles in the air. This means that the pollution got so bad that it started affecting the health of everybody involved, even the humans. The Delta of the past was truly sad, but thanks to that, the Delta is a little bit more better looking. But still, pollution doesn't help it at all. Now then, let us go and talk about the pollution monster. And now that we're back on seeing the pollution monster, let us talk about some facts that he has caused. During the time where before the act, the pollution monster destroyed 90% of habitats, as well as 40% of wetlands. He also helped put 90 different species of plants and animals on the protected list. The pollution monster was destroying everything, and the pollution monster was not alone in this act. There was humans who helped the pollution monster do all this. Humans pumped so much water that it actually helped the pollution monster reverse the flow of the Delta back up the hill. I wonder what the water was running from. Ha ha ha! But anyways, let us give a moment of silence to the poor animals that had died during this pointless time. Like the Californian bear. The pollution monster helped bring that very majestic creature that's on our flag, that's on the Californian flag, to extinction. Oh, them poor bear. Now then, let us give it a moment of silence. Now then, let us talk about how the pollution got that bad. The pollution monster first popped up in the gold rush, when the mining left so much mercury in the water that traces of it can be found in the fish today. Mercury is a very poisonous substance that brings health problems to people who eat the fish. Now then, I guess that fish that looked dead could bring other people dead to it as well. Let us give a moment of silence to them. as for the pollution, it continued on until the Water Act was passed. And then people tried to start restoring the waterland, tried to fix it. Hopefully in the future it will be fixed and look as beautiful as it did in the past. Now then, I hope you enjoyed this lovely video. I am now the announcer, bidding you goodbye. Well then, I hope everybody enjoyed that video. Class is now dismissed. Yeah, that was my video. It was for a science project, and, yeah, it's not as good as I was hoping to make it, but I still tried really hard on doing this. There was some really funny edits and cuts that I took out, like, during one of my sections, I was talking in this voice, and, one of my friends invited me to a party, so I was like, no, you interrupted the video! And it was really just funny for me, yeah, but anyways... Well, there's another interruption. I'm gonna show you the two people that interrupted me through this entire video. But anyways, yeah, this was for my science project. I'm trying to keep confidentiality, so I'm not gonna say the teacher, but she already... Yes, I'm still doing the videos. I said I had to record the last parts. Oh, by the way, guys, you cannot hear them this time because I made it so that way you cannot hear my audience. So, yes, you cannot hear them talking. So it sounds like I'm talking to myself. Yes, they screamed yay in that. Anyways, yeah, as I said, the pollution destroyed a ton of land. Nowadays the land around the delta really can you guys let me talk? Nowadays the land around the delta kind of looks like Oh, by the way, no ill will to you guys. But guys, no ill will to you guys. I'm just sorry. I'm being a bit rude. Sorry. But anyways, the land around the delta nowadays kind of looks more, it has the green tint to it, but also has a lot of concrete, and a lot of the land around the delta is no longer land that looks like natural land. It looks more like it's constructed, it's made up by human society. But yeah, that's the land around the delta nowadays. This was for my science project, as I said earlier, and it's not as good as I wanted it to be, but still, I tried my best, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry about the very cheesy voice. It was what came to mind first, so yes. I hope you enjoyed this video.